Hi, I'm Mohan. In this video, I'm going to explain isometric projection of combination of solids. This question is choose from VTU model question paper. The question is draw the isometric projection of hexagonal prism of side of base 40 mm and height 60 mm with a right circular cone of base 40 mm as diameter and height 60 mm resting on its top such that axes of both solids are collinear. Okay, in this problem, they're given two solids. The first one is hexagonal prism. The dimension of hexagonal prism is base is 40 mm and height is 60 mm. And the second solid is cone of base diameter 40 mm and height is 60 mm. Okay, first let us construct hexagonal prism and cone separately. Then we are going to place cone and the hexagonal prism in such a way that axis of both solids should collinear. Okay, I'll go to solid edge. I'm going to insert one sheet. Okay, do the sheet setup. Okay, it should be A4 sheet. Okay, first I'm going to construct one hexagon. Okay, I'll go to applications, macros, run macros, insert polygon, open. Okay, here we have to choose flat length. Okay, the dimension of hexagon is 40 mm and number of side is 6. Minimize this. Okay, click. Okay, now I'm going to put the boundary, a box for this hexagon. Okay, go to line. Okay, I'm going to choose thickness as 0.13 mm. Okay, I'll start from here. Okay, I'm going to put the boundary. Okay, go to start dimension. You can see this dimension is 69.28 and this is 80. Okay, I'm going to name this box. Okay, I'm going to name this corner as 1. Okay, this corner as 2. Okay, this corner as 3. Okay, this corner as 4. Okay, now I'm going to construct a rectangle of 18 to 69.28. Okay, in ISO, go to line command, thickness let it be 0.13 mm. I'll start from here. Okay, now the distance is 69.28. Enter, angle is 30. Enter. Okay, next 80. Enter, angle is 150. Enter. Again distance 69.28. Enter, angle minus 150. Enter. Again length 80. Enter, angle minus 30. Enter. You can see this is 69.28 mm. This is 80 mm. Okay, this is 1. Okay, this is corner 2. Okay, this is corner 3. This is corner 4. Okay, now we can observe between 1 and 2 we have one point. Okay, I'm going to name that point as A. Between 2 and 3 we have 2 points. Okay, I'm going to name this as B. Okay, this as C. Between 3 and 4 we have D. Between 4 and 1 again we have E and F. Okay, we have to mark this A, B, C, D, E, F here also. In order to mark, we need the distance. Go to distance between option. The distance between this line and this point A is 34.64. Okay, similarly, the distance between this corner 1 and EF is 20. Since this is 20, the distance between 4 and E is also 20. If you want, you can measure. Okay, this is also 20. Okay, now I'm going to mark, go to our center point. Okay, by taking 1 as a reference point, 34.64, enter. Okay, this is A. Okay, similarly, D. D is between 3 and 4. The distance is same, 34.64, enter. Cut one arc. Okay, that is D. Okay, between 2 and 3, we have 2 points, that is B and C. Go to our center point. Okay, cut one arc of radius 20 mm, enter. Okay, this is B. Again, by taking 3 as a center point, cut one arc of radius 20 mm. Okay, this is C. Again, this side also we have E and F, 20 mm enter. We're taking 4 as a center point, 20 mm enter. Okay, this is point E and this is point F. Okay, now I'm going to join all the endpoints of the arc by using line command. C, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. Okay, now base is created, hexagonal base. Okay, now I'm going to trim that arc. Okay, that naming also not required. If you want, you can delete. Now hexagonal base is created. And now height of the hexagon is 60 mm. For that, go to select option, select entire base, go to move option, switch on the copy command, select any one corner, move upwards. Okay, here see x value is 0, y value is 60, enter. Now we have to join the respective corners of hexagon, go to line command, from this corner to this corner, from this corner to this corner, this corner to this, from this corner to this corner. Okay, we have to join the respective corners. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to trim the box that is not required. I'm going to trim all the invisible edges also. Okay, this is hexagon. Go to select option, select everything and change the thickness to 0.5 mm. Okay, now hexagon is created. Now we have to construct the cone. The cone base diameter is 40 and height is 60 mm. Go to line command, thickness let it be 0.13. First I'm going to construct one square of 40 mm. 40 enter, 30 enter, 40 enter, 150 enter, 40 enter, minus 150 enter, 40 enter, minus 30 enter. Again, I'll go to line command. From this corner to opposite midpoint. From this corner to opposite midpoint. Similarly, from this corner to opposite midpoint, draw one line from this point to opposite midpoint. Now go to arc by center point method. Now increase the thickness by taking this as a center point, this length as a radius. Draw an arc. By taking this as center point, this length as radius, draw another arc. Again, by taking this intersection point as center point, this length as radius, draw an arc. Again, by taking this intersection point as center point, this length as radius, draw an arc. Okay, now the base is created. Height is again 60 mm. From the midpoint, draw one line of height 60 mm. Again, now you have to draw the tangents from this apex point. Draw the tangent to the circles. Okay, now cone is also created. Now we have to place cone on this hexagon, but we have to place centrally. First, in order to identify the midpoint, I'm going to draw one diagonal. Okay, now go to select option, select entire cone, go to move option, select this midpoint, switch off the copy command. Okay, we have to place centrally. Okay, you should get that midpoint symbol. Okay, now we have placed cone on the hexagonal prism. Now I'm going to trim all the invisible lines. Go to trim option. You zoom while trimming. And now go to select option, select everything. Select option, select everything. Go to scale. You have to convert this normal scale to ISO. The ISO scale is 0.8164. Enter. Okay, this is the solution. Thank you.